Hello people, this is Bear from Elliott Wave. Today is Saturday, the 14th of June. And as you can see, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. So, let me think. Interesting scenario. What we are going to do is I think we're going to be focusing mainly on this account, which needs some modifications. As you guys know, I'm extremely lazy, so I don't update my accounts. I just do it live with you here on the internet. So, just for reference, I'm not sure why. Okay, just to have a clearer picture, my best count, which you also call my best guess, is okay. It's not shown on daily, but here there's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, top in wave 3, down in 4, upside into cycle wave 5. I'm saying we could have had a top and a subsequent bottom in primary wave 1 and 2 of cycle 5, and we could be at it. We're now exploring the possibility of a 1 and 2 of intermediate degree, as you can see here, further upside into primary wave 3. There you go. Probably just do this instead. And there you go. Okay. Now that is what we're going to explore today. What can I say? Well, we can look at. Let's have a look at volume. Okay. How is volume doing here? Interesting, but we'll have a better look on the intraday. But it's looking kind of bullish on the volume side, so we could be near a bottom, if not a bottom in place. So let me delete this, and clearly we have the 100,000, which is going to play an important role for various reasons. One is the Fib number, and it's also the most frequent number. It's my strongest number in the market, and once again, using a bit of fun fact, if you know about Bamford's law, number 1 is the most frequent number found in anything human related. And you can also say, well, only we use numbers in the whole universe, at least the way we know it. So, after that Discovery Channel fact, I also have some sort of an alternative account, which was this one. So basically I'm saying down in A, up in B, okay, and now headed down for wave C. I guess time will have to tell. I don't like this count. I made it, so obviously love it, but it's not my preferred one. For now at least, I rather stick to the bullish alternative. I don't know if you can hear the bird sounds, but I can. Alright, so let's focus on this one then. 1 hour. There we go. So let's see. Okay, so this is very interesting because, well, let's say we kind of like this, okay? Then we have a couple of problems. If we say wave 1 is here, then we have invalidation because 1 and 4 overlap, okay? And also, if you say wave 4 goes here, then how do you count 5 here? It's kind of hard. So unless you place wave 4 here, but then what do you have? A very nasty A, B, C. Like a very ugly correction wave 4, which is kind of like too ugly to be true. Then you don't have invalidation, okay? Now, even if you place wave 1 here to allow for a flat, nasty wave 2, and you put wave 4 back here, you still have invalidation. So, when it's like this, what could mean is that it was a three-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4. The problem is that I also count 3 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we count 5 in here? Or 3? Let's see how the algo would do it. It wouldn't. Awesome. So I think it's time for a... So, let's do this. Let's keep it like this. Let's allow for 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay. Perfect. And here we entertain the possibility of a bottom in place by doing this. Wave A here, B here, here, and C here. Okay. I mean, you could count it as a triangle, really. A, B, C. It's very ugly. To be fair, I'm not even sure it's... Yeah, if it's a flat, then you can have a... What's it called? A running flat. So it could be a running flat. I would explain it. Here a small triangle in wave B. A, B, C, and A. It's ugly, but it would fit this way. Okay. All right. Now, if that is in place, and look at how we bounce off 100,000, but the fact we bounce once doesn't mean we're free to go higher. If that was the case, then I'd be rich. If I knew that after one bounce we would be going higher. 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not easy. So one way I can count it is probably like this, with a subdivision here. Sideways 2, sharp 4. Okay, so probably that's the only way I can count 5. Yeah, it's a good fit. Yeah, it could fit. Going back to the other count, we could count it like this. A, B, C. And let's see if the algo sees what I was seeing. Yes, that's what I was seeing. And I'm pretty sure we have pretty much equality of C against A. Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. So now it's the golden question. Barry, which one is it? You guys know my answer. If I knew, I wouldn't be here. It's a tough one. So I mean, what we're seeing is that we've broken the structure. As I always talk about it often here. That was one move, and we broke that move. So what this was, it's over. And now the question is this over? Now you may say, well, Barrett, this went down, and now we broke it, so it's over. Well, not so fast. Not so fast. I mean, you can look at volume if you really want to. I don't know. Increase volume here. I think it's a tough decision. I mean, I'll just say either one are possible. Time will tell. Sorry, let me just review it. And also, I mean, this is very deep. That's what she said. I wish. Yeah, this is too deep. It needs to be in place, this wave 2, to be correct, and even then it's deeper than expected, especially as we would be in a wave, a wave 2 of a wave 3. So I wouldn't really expect a deep correction, and yet this is what we have. So yeah, not so. I prefer this one. And yeah, being conservative never killed anyone. But then again, I know nothing. I don't know. Everything could happen. It could go to 0. I don't know. It could go to 100,000 million, which is a lot. But what I know is, I wish you all a happy Saturday, and I might see you tomorrow. I may not. Who knows? And thank you for watching, people.